for me, Mots? Oh, I see. You want come do something for me, Mots? Come open the refrigerator door. We're going to show them something in the refrigerator. Isabel, you want to come with us? Okay, so here's the refrigerator. Open it. There's the refrigerator. Okay, normal. Normal. And that's what somebody put on the bottom shelf. There's Isabel's shoes. Did she put those in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Isabel put those in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
She's so silly, isn't she? And there's her sock. She's so silly. They're going to be too cold to wear. You want to get them out for me, Mom?
We're missing a sock.
We're missing a sock.
Yep. Hold it. You want to close it?
Yeah, let's close it.
What second is this?
Okay, let's come see Isabel. Uh-oh. How did you do that? How did you get that door open, Isabel? How did you get that door open? I don't think the purpose is to lock her inside it. I think the purpose is to lock her outside of it. Did you get locked in? Oh, okay. Hold on.